Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate with a score of -2.11. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -0.24%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.06% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently following a horizontal trend, indicating that it is moving within a relatively stable range. Based on the recent 3-month trend analysis, there is a potential -1.35% change expected over the next 3 months. This means the stock's value could decrease by up to 1.35% or increase by up to 2.62% during this period. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 19.93% change anticipated over the next year. This suggests that the stock's value could possibly increase between 12.17% and 29.08% over this timeframe. In terms of price, this would translate to a range of $211.83 to $243.76 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that the stock price increased by 0.281% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 9, 2024, the Apple stock price rose from $188.32 to $188.85, representing a gain of 0.281%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $188 and a high of $189.99, showing a 1.06% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -1.86%. Volume has increased along with the price, signifying positive market activity. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 44 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $8.26 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $199.62, while the lowest price was $143.90. Currently, the stock is 5.4%, equivalent to $10.77, below its 52-week high, and 17.27%, equivalent to $39.41, below the all-time high. The all-time high was reached on August 30, 2018, with a price of $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 2, 2024, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple with an outperform grade. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Apple an overweight grade and maintained a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform and suggested a hold action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities downgraded Apple to a negative grade despite an upgrade action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.41%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. The volume of trades is also increasing, which is a positive sign. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal for Apple stock, but the long-term average indicates a sell signal. This is because the long-term average is above the short-term average, giving a more negative forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance at the long-term moving average of $188.97. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support at the short-term average of $188.04. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 25 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicating a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple currently has support from accumulated volume at $188.63. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect the stock to react positively when this support level is tested. When it comes to trading volume, Apple is typically traded at a good level, which helps to reduce the overall risk. Additionally, the stock has been experiencing minor daily changes, indicating a relatively low risk. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a $1.99, 1.06%, movement between its high and low points in the last day. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.34%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in companies with a long history and predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates the earnings per share to be $1.55. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $197.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be an interesting one for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $188.63. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, as we can anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has a strong buy rating. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner conducted an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sell of 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit. Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock on February 1, 2024. Additionally, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sell of 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit on the same day. On February 1, 2024, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of -18.969. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,289,985 shares and sold 3,425,457 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? When it comes to Apple stock, we have identified several negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, after carefully analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 12th, we anticipate that Apple will open up with a modest increase of $0.0967 and begin trading at $188.95. Please note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. At StockInvest.us, we provide information and analysis to help you make informed investment choices. However, it is important to remember that you should not solely rely on our platform for your investment decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices and outcomes. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.